We are back with another juicing challenge, and today we are going to see how much juice I can make with just $10. So today we are heading to Meijer's. I'm so excited. So if you want to join along, leave your guesses in the comments below of how many juices you think I can make with these $10 at Meijer's, and then we'll find out together. Let's get it. Alright, so I wanted to do something different. I decided to put the pineapple back because we've tried pineapple in tons of recipes. And if I'm honest, my body is craving a green juice. So I was like, okay, how could we somehow get as much yield as possible and still get, a green juice? I have $1 left, and I feel like what we'll top it off with some ginger. So I'm gonna look for that and see if we can hit our budget. Found it. They don't look too good. Those small little ones. I think we did it. I'm really excited for this mixture. Now, I've never had dandelion greens before in a juice, so I don't even know what the taste profile is. I have no idea. So we're gonna find out. Ooh, we did it. Can we just have a moment of appreciation for the blue sky? Like, come on. Do y'all see the sun? Look at it. Honestly, I cannot wait till spring and summer. This coat gotta go. We didn't have enough. Goodness. Now that the produce is cleaned, as usual, we're going to juice them, and then I'm going to have them all go into this big bowl right here. And I also have a strainer because the goal is to catch the pulp that may be remaining in the juice, so it doesn't seem like we're getting more juice than we actually are. So I've tried dandelion roots and dandelion leaf in tea forms, but I haven't had the dandelion greens yet, so I'm really excited because I know the benefits are amazing. And if you're interested about the teas as well, I usually get mine from Mountain Rose Herbs, and you can get them in big 1 pound packs, and it usually lasts me, if I'm honest, about a year or more, depending on how much I take throughout the day. So with all the changes happening in America right now, I definitely see myself taking these herbs a lot more. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link to Mountain Rose Herbs in my description below as well, so you could check out some of their herbs. But in the meantime, I'm excited to give this juice mixture a try. Let's find out how much juice we can get from these $10 at Meijer's. So while I'm preparing the produce for juicing, I'm going to share some of the benefits. Dandelion greens are great for digestion and liver health. They help flush out extra water and toxins. which can reduce bloating and keep things moving, if you know what I mean. They're also full of vitamins A, C, and K, plus antioxidants that fight inflammation. Honeydew is hydrating and full of vitamin C and potassium, which helps with energy and recovery. It's light, easy to digest, and naturally sweet. It's also great for replenishing electrolytes after a workout. Fun fact. So although celery is mostly water, it's packed with minerals like potassium and magnesium that help with hydration and muscle function. So if you are working out right now, this is a great thing to add to your juices, smoothies, and diet. It supports digestion, fights inflammation, and helps flush out excess water, which could reduce bloating. Ginger is great for digestion. It helps reduce bloating as well and fighting against inflammation. It also helps with nausea and can ease muscle soreness. I just realized something. When I bought these, I was more focused on staying within the budget than the actual combinations. Pairing melons with dandelion greens was not the best combination. Melons break down way faster than greens, and although the ginger might help a little bit, I probably wouldn't do this combo again. I would recommend making this at home with something like apples instead of the honeydew. Okay, so we actually have a lot of juice here. I'm really excited. And just so you know, each jar counts as 16 ounces of juice. Our goal is to try to get as much juice as possible, and our high score is actually a full 7 jars. So we're going to see if this combination is going to give us the same full 7 jars, if it's going to give us more, or if it's going to give us less. So let's find out how much juice we're going to get from these $10 from Meijers. All right, so this is not too bad. We ended up getting a total of 6 jars and 12 ounces. That's not too bad. So that will be a total of 108 ounces of juice. So here we ended up getting 108 ounces of juice. We spent exactly $10.01. So this would be approximately 10.78 ounces per dollar. In terms of the jars, again, we spent exactly $10.01. So if we divide that by the amount of jars that we ended up getting this time, we'll be spending approximately $1.48 per jar of juice. Now, I am excited to try this one. Again, I've never had dandelion greens before, so I'm not sure what this will taste like. And I also added honeydew, right? So the combination of honeydew and dandelion greens and celery and ginger, I'm really curious to see what it's going to taste like. So enough talking, let's just find out. Oh, that's bitter. That is bitter, my boy. Okay. I didn't expect that taste at all. Definitely recommend apple. The honeydew did nothing for this at all. I mean, it's like adding water to the juice. So I could tell it's weird. I could tell my body wants to keep drinking it. So I think it likes the dandelion greens. However, I wouldn't recommend this mixture. Mm-mm. I'd give it a solid 4 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share the love. I would truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next videos. All right, take care.